Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Workday apps on Google Chat. So you can open the Google Chat apps um, if you have downloaded. But if you haven't downloaded, you can open the Gmail and select chat section to start use the Google Chat. So if you want to use another app on Google Chat, you can select the chat message or the spaces. For example, select the chat message. So you can click on the name conversation and appears the apps and integration option. Just click on it. So you can add to your space or to your chat conversation the apps will appear here, but I don't have application here, so I cannot add the apps. So that's how you can use another apps or just say Workday in Google Sheet. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.